Hey, it's Johnny. Your test whip of the week is the Mazda CX-5. This great crossover vehicle from Mazda has a powerful drive, great steering and handling, and it's a quiet drive. And I love this design. Spacious trunk area in the Mazda CX-5 with a cover overlay, and you can drop those seats for more cargo. Push button close. Brown on black, all leather interior in the Mazda CX-5, and lots of legroom with the front seats fully reclined. Comfortable, well-appointed interior cabin, and I love a sunroof. Push button start, main entertainment and navigation console, heating and cooling, and some power. Drive functions. Control the infotainment and navigation from here. Additional auxiliary and USB in the armrest. Dashboard and drive functions on the steering wheel. Mazda CX-5.